Hello viewers, I'm from Kenya. It is in the morning and I want to thank God. He has granted us a gift of life. The morning duties are starting. We are at the shamba. This is our shamba. So I'm going to the shamba. With me is Grace. Grace, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We are going to cut a broom. So that we can wash, we can sweep our compound. There are a lot of acacia flowers scattered everywhere. It is on weekend, Saturday, so I'm at home and I will be performing different duties. So join me in our today's video and may God bless you for watching. See, we planted sweet potatoes in the shamba, and then due to lack of rain, they did not do well. So the squirrel has removed them, and the squirrel was trying to eat one. This is the sweet potato plant. So if you dig from the ground, you can find some sweet potatoes, but because there was no enough rains, the sweet potatoes are not many, but they cannot feed us because that one is only one. The others will sprout during rainy season. You cannot see them. So these are our brooms. These are our brooms that we are going to cut. Shika simu na usiweke kidole hapa. Kama ujue. Yeah. Kama songa tu. Yala no getia iki. Ngamulika mundu ndamulika nze. Ndio tena. This is our shamba during dry season. These are peas plants. Peas. They are drying up because of lack of rains. You see, they are green at the back, but towards the end they are dry just because of lack of rains. This is my shamba. The peas are planted during the November and December holiday, and then the rains. These ones were planted on like 2 years ago. They usually resist drought. They can survive even during drought season. But they are drying up. We have 2 seasons of which the rains were not enough. The one I have now is the old broom that I have been using for the last days. So I'm tying the rubber band from the old broom. So the old broom can be used as firewood now. You can use it as firewood. So my husband is helping in tying the new broom that we have cut from the twigs in the shamba. After tying, I will have to sweep the compound. See, the compound, it's dirty. Has been dirtified by the acacia tree flowers. The acacia tree is the tree that is at the middle of the compound. You tie carefully using the rubber band. See the compound, the way it's dirty, but you sweep it clean. So the first thing in the morning is to sweep the compound because it's very dirty. You cannot spend the whole day in such a dirty compound. So we have to sweep. And this broom sweeps clean. It's good. See the compound now. It's clean now after sweeping. There are no flowers. It is very clean. The flowers, after being collected as litter, are taken to the shamba they act as manure. They are very good manures. So we collect using a sack, deposit them to the shamba.
Mom, sama wow, baluka.
So today we are going to have a new activity that we are going to do for today. Remember, I've told you it's on weekend, Saturday. I'm at home. So we are carrying a very big stone. This stone will be used for heat the knife that is placed on the plough during the ploughing process. So the metal is first put inside a burning fire, then it is hit using a hammer to sharpen it. We are just sharpening it. So it is sharpened by hitting it against the stone using a hammer. After this heating now, it will be tied on the plough so that the ploughing process may start. So today we are ploughing, and it is not ploughing when we are planting, no. It is in dry season and we are just preparing the shamba for the oncoming rainy season. So we are just ploughing without planting. We shall plough again and plant during rainy season. So join me in the process of ploughing. I'm a typical African woman. I'll be ploughing today. And I thank God He enables me. He gives me power to do the activities. So this is our plough, and we are trying, my husband is trying to tie the knife on the plough. It is tied using nuts, which are tied there using a spanner. So here I'm getting ready. I'm putting on shoes. You put on shoes, closed shoes. There are so many thorns inside the shamba. Some are big, others are very small. You cannot see them. And these ones smalls are very stubborn because once they enter into the shoe, you cannot move. They sting you very well until you cannot make a step. So you have to cover your legs well. I don't have gumboots, so I have to put on the shoes, tie the laces very well, then make sure that the trouser covers my leg in a way that no thorn can enter into the shoe. So we are tying up the oxen to get ready for the exercise. It is very tiresome because you are running up and down, you are holding the plow, the cows run. Sometimes they refuse to be tied. Like I'm not used to tying them up, so they are not used to me. So they misbehave when it comes to I'm tying them. They misbehave. So they know my husband because he feeds them, he waters them, he works with them. And they knows him. So thank you so much for watching. It is my humble request that you share my videos. I want to reach a wide audience. I want to have so many friends, so many viewers, so many subscribers. So kindly, my friends, share my videos widely to your friends, to your social media platforms. Kindly share my videos, and may God bless you so much. So continue watching till the end, and may God continue blessing you. Until the next video, continue watching.
Dia là dia bên nó chỉ bảo anh để không mà tôi đã cho một lẩu của lâu kia cô cô nào ôi bà cái gì không
Uliange tuambia na nini? Utila. Xong rồi đấy.